Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I'm going to talk to you about the top 5 knives in my wife's collection, the top 5 that she loves. So we're going to start from the smallest one. This is the Koch tool Wasp in a full dress. This is a pretty smooth, slick little friction folder that she loves because, of the look, of course, the size, the weight, the stoutness that's going on, the full dress, the sanmai, the moku tie. I mean, look at the pivot custom. I mean, this is, very, very interesting piece. The look is it's a pretty badass looking little knife, guys. Yeah, I see her playing with this, even if it's not like too much fidgety, but it's very nice. I mean, it feels great. It's something like that she likes to play with. So very, very nice overall. And that's the first one. Next up is the Spyderco Mech B. This is a very, very cool knife. She added, like a nice moku tie bead to it. This scale was anodized by John Ouellette, which is, a great guy here in Canada doing just some sick anodization work. So check him out. Overall, this is a very, very nice little blade. You can choke it up like that, and it's gonna be shredding cardboard like crazy. So overall, very smooth, very sleek, awesome looking. It has it all, and with this little customization, it adds a little bit more flavor and character to this very cool little knife. And next up, we have the James Brand the County. This is something that she always keeps in her purse because, the compact size and the length of the blade. The only thing she complains about is that, the lanyard hole is taking away a little bit from the handle to blade ratio. But overall, the lines are super slick and, it's a very nice slip joint. The sound it makes is also very, very nice. It's a beautiful resounding and percussive clank that she loves. There's a little bit of jimping going on. You can't really lock it up, but overall it's a beautiful, slick looking knife. Yeah, so next up, she's loving the Spartacus Apparel. This is pretty lightweight. I think it's around 2.5 ounces, with these pretty cool carbon fiber scales. The fact that it's very, very compact. You have, this 2.8 inch long blade. The grip is beautiful. It's pretty firm and secure in your hand. The wire clip is going to be it's a nice deep carry pocket clip. The smoothness, it's outstanding. So the look is great. The sound, it's very nice. The action, it's snappy. So it's an overall cool little knife to keep in the pocket for sure. Next up, of course, her Spyderco Delica, pimped up with this VG10 Damascus blade and titanium scales. It's something that she loves. Also she likes the clip being polished and the sleekness of this overall package being pretty thin stock and thin handle, and the weight, of course, the grip, the thumb ramp. It's she's digging it, and she's not using this much because it's probably too pretty for her to use, but I see her liking this one a lot. And lastly, that's probably, her favorite. This is the Steelcraft series bag knives mini glimpse. This is, in the carbon fiber and titanium frame configuration. And, it has, she even put like a nice little bead on it. And, this is a pretty cool knife overall. There's a lot going on. The blade, has a nice hollow grind, a beautiful fuller with these holes, the false wedge going on here. The action, it's very smooth. You know, the flipper tab is superbly chamfered around. You know, the aggressive backspacer, the ceramic ball over here, you know, the titanium 3D machine, the clip, the fact that the you know, the inlay, it's absolutely flush with the titanium. You cannot feel any burr or lip right there. I mean, just phenomenal overall little knife. This is the one that she's playing with the most because of the fidget factor embedded in this one. So yeah, so there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.